Hi, this is Paul, and this is an overview video on how our xBrat roller coaster trading indicator works. I'm going to be looking at a futures example, a forex example, a stocks example on three different platforms: Motive Wave, the Ninja Trader, and the TradingView version. So first of all, we're on the Motive Wave platform. We're on gold futures on the 5-minute time frame. So the xBrat roller coaster is a combination of stochastic MACD cross, but then we've got some special EMA points of control to actually give those entries, those stops, and that trailing stop position. Now everything is worked out behind the scenes, just prints it on the chart for you so you can follow both the stop, the entry, and the trailing stop. So let's have a look at gold here. So this is yesterday. We had what happens is the green line where our cursor is here. If I zoom in a little bit here, green line prints, that's your entry. The stop is also printed up here, so that's your danger zone if you like. And then as the price starts to move down, you'll see the trailing stop starts to print all the way down here until finally the trailing stop is taken out around 18.17. I mean, this is a big trade yesterday, and then we move forward and we're looking for that roller coaster motion. It does spot another short here. Not a big winner, but it was still a winner. Prints the stop, prints the entry, starts to print the trailing stop positions. You just got to follow that. And then this is the part where the roller coaster really comes in. The short didn't work, we made a little bit of money, but then all of a sudden we get the long. Prints the green line, prints the stop line, prints a little green arrow as well, go long. Then every time the candle closes, it prints where the trailing stop position should be until it's taken out. So that's gold futures on the Motive Wave. This is stocks on the daily time frame on the Ninja Trader version. Okay, so this is Adobe on the daily time frame for the last year. Okay, 100% win rate on the roller coaster. So we have back in April, we get this nice move up. We get the green line again, the stop, and starts to print the trailing stop, gets taken out there. That's the trade. Comes down, doesn't take the short because it's short-lived, and then we get a roller coaster motion, if you like. The roller coaster is coming down, it's coming back up again. We get the long signal with that green line here, the stop loss printed here, and then as the trade progresses, starts to print the trailing stop all the way up until it gets taken out here. Top of the roller coaster starts to come back down again. We get the green line for our entry short, the stop loss is here, and then prints a trailing stop. So every time the market closes for the day, it adjusts and prints the new trailing stop position there. Roller coaster gets to the bottom, we go up again, entry, stop, trailing stop starts to print, gets taken out for the profit. And this is the trade that's currently in. So we got the stop printed, the entry, and again you see yesterday, this is where the trailing stop, we got the close yesterday. As soon as it opens today, that trailing stop position will move again. So the roller coaster is telling you where to trail your stop for that particular trade to get in. So this is what we call this stock is really in the groove, Adobe, for that roller coaster type trading strategy. So let's move on to the TradingView version. This is Euro Japanese yen on the hourly time frame. So we've gone from 5-minute on gold, daily on the stocks, hourly time frame on forex now. So this is on the hourly time frame, and I'm going to talk through these trades again. It's exactly the same. It works no matter what platform you've got. Works exactly the same way. So you get the stop printed, get the entry printed, and then it starts to trail the stop, and the stop's taken out. So roller coaster goes up, roller coaster comes back down again. We get the entry, stop, trailing stop gets taken out. So this is the roller coaster motion, going up, coming down, going up. So this is, European Japanese yen is in a range, if you like, where the Adobe on the stocks was more getting those trend reversals from ranges. This one, again, entry, stop, trailing stop taken out. Get the entry printed here, doesn't even enter the trade because you got to enter one pip below that entry, and it never takes that trade. Comes back up again, comes down, we get the signal, it enters, and then finally we get that trailing stop taken out here with a bit of profit. Roller coaster starts to go back up again. We get the long signal, goes in, trailing stop gets taken out, and then the roller coaster continues from the top, comes back down again. Boring really, but the trade works. Okay, so we get that motion where we're coming down, trailing stops taken out, we come back up again, and you can see there in this period of time from the 12th, let's go back to the beginning there, from the 31st of December 21 to the 12th of January, one trade didn't trigger, the rest were all winners. So that roller coaster motion, everything worked out in the background. So whether you're forex, futures, stocks, cryptocurrency, when something's in a groove, we get that motion within that range, going up and down like a roller coaster. Then obviously also the roller coaster can identify those potential trend reversals like we saw on that stock with Adobe, and then obviously on futures on the 5 minute with the gold, some really great trades there as well. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.